to draw Abby. We will begin by drawing her left ear. For this, we will draw a C-like shape, and then we will draw a circle at the bottom. That will be for her earring. Then we will continue the C-like shape a little further. Awesome start! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we're going to start at the bottom of her ear and draw a curved line going towards the right of our page for her chin. Then we will extend that line upwards for the side of her face. Next, we're going to move back to her left ear and draw a wave-like shape inside of it for detail. Then connected to that circle on her ear, we will finish drawing her earring by drawing a heart below it. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to draw her right ear. For this, we will just draw a small curved line connecting to the right side of her face, and then at the bottom we're going to draw a small circle for the beginning of her earring. Awesome job! Now we're going to draw a heart below that circle for the bottom part of her earring. Ours is going to get cut off a little bit by the side of her face, but that's okay. Great job! Now we're going to begin drawing Abby's face. First, we will draw her nose by drawing a curved line in the middle of her face. Then inside of that curved line at the bottom, we're going to draw 2 dots for her nostrils. Looks awesome! Now we're going to draw her mouth. For this, we will draw a curved line below her nose. Then we are going to draw another curved line on top of that one for the upper outline of her mouth. Then lastly, for her mouth, we will draw a line going through the middle. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to begin drawing her eyes. First, we will draw Abby's left eye. To do this, we will draw an oval-like shape for the outline. Then we're going to draw 2 curved lines inside of that, making a circle shape. Then inside of that, we will draw a smaller circle for her pupil. We will go ahead and outline this a little bit so that it makes her pupil bigger, but we're going to leave that small circle white. If you are using a marker or a Sharpie while you're drawing, then make sure to be careful because sometimes the marker could bleed through and color that white circle in. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to add a few eyelashes near the left corner of her eye. Great job! Now we're going to draw Abby's right eye the same way that we just drew her left one. Then to finish her right eye, we're going to add some eyelashes near the right corner. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we're going to draw Abby's eyebrows. Above her left eye, we're going to draw a small line going up and down, And then from that, we're going to draw two curved lines coming together towards the left. Looks awesome! Now we're going to draw Abby's right eyebrow above her right eye. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, we're all done drawing Abby's face. Now we're going to draw her hair and her headband. We will start at her left ear and draw a small line going upwards. Then from that line, we're going to draw a small line going towards the right, and then we'll draw an upside down V-like shape. We're going to continue drawing upside down V-like shapes across her bangs all the way to the right side of her face. Awesome job! Now we're going to draw Abby's headband. We'll start above her left ear and draw a big curved line going towards the right side of her head. Then we will draw another curved line above this one that connects at both sides. From the right side of her headband, we will draw a line going down for the right side of her hair. Now we will draw the left side of Abby's hair. This will start above the bottom of her headband and go all the way down like it did on the other side. Before we finish drawing Abby's hair, we're going to draw her neck and the top of her turtleneck. We will draw two small lines coming down from her face for her neck. Then on the bottom of that left line, we're going to draw a small C-like shape, and then on the right line, we're going to draw a small backward C-like shape. Next, we're going to start at the top of the left side of her neck and draw a big curved line going down and around all the way to the right side of her neck. This will be for the turtleneck of her shirt. Lastly, for her neck, we're going to draw a line going across, connecting the two small lines that we drew for her neck. Awesome job! Now we're going to connect her hair to that turtleneck and then draw some lines for detail throughout her hair. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, then give it a big like below and stick around till the very end so that you could see our drawing all colored in. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.